Hey there everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys some examples, or we're going to practice on how to do product research. But before we start, I want to encourage you guys to like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. And that way other people can also see these videos, right? And also don't forget to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link below. And that way you can be a part of a community of other sellers. And then I also do live trainings there once a week. So yeah, with that being said, these are some products that you guys can sell on Amazon, right? And I will do. I'll I'll just look at data of these products, and we're going to decide if these products are good or not, right? So first, we open up both links, right? So Amazon link and supplier link. So as you guys can see here, you guys can also get a 3% off cash or cashback from Rakuten. So this one I would activate. And then we can run the numbers, right? Well, actually first we should look at the title and see if the products match. So Vitacost, Black Cherry Concentrate Pure, 32 ounces. Okay. So for this one, this product looks like the same product with different packaging, right? So I usually tell people that it's okay. Sometimes the packagings are different, but as long as the products match, it's good. So for this one, I think they're the same. So to be safe, I would do a test buy of maybe like 5 pieces, 3 pieces, right? And then here I would plug in the numbers, so 1269, right? Is the price, and then here there's a 20% off. Oh, where did it go? Right there. So save 20% off using this code RBrands, right? So we would apply this code on here. Where is it? Where's the discount codes? Where did it go? Did it skip it? Where it says discount. Oh, sorry, right here. So 20% off, right? And then this one is a variation. So this one is selling at 162 times a month. And then from here, you go to variation, you click on the exact variation, and then check. So it looks like this variation is selling, it's taking up 60% of all the sales, right? So I would take 60% of this number, which is 162 times 0.6. So this one is selling at 97 times a month. It's giving you a 10 to like 20% ROI. Is there any more discount codes? Let's see. Looks like that's it, right? So yeah, this one is giving you 97 sales a month. So ROI is between 10 to like 20%. As you guys can see here, the buy box is giving you a 19% ROI. And then let's look at the Aura. Sorry, Keepa. So if you look at Keepa, I mean, it looks good. It seems like the price of this product is, pretty choppy, but I think that, the average price is about like $24. And then these are all the other sellers. So yeah, this one I think is decent depending on how you look at it, depending on your the criterias. But I want to say this one is pretty decent. So yeah. So now we move on to the next product. So this one is a Yankee Candle Mango Ice Cream. So here it sells 15% off your first order, right? And then if you give your phone number, it's giving you a 20% off. So let's just assume that you're getting, or you're giving your phone number, right? So you're getting a 20% off discount. And on Rakuten, it's giving you another 2%. What is this? Let's see what this is. Oh, that's a sale. Okay. So for this one, you're getting about like 22% discount. So we can run the numbers, or first we should double check they match. Looks like they match. So two-wick candle. Yeah, they seem like they're the same. So now we plug in the numbers. So this one's $15, and then it's giving you another like 22% discount. So let's put 20, right? And then this one is a variation. So now I would go to the bottom under variations, pick the variation, and then click on check. I mean, this one doesn't seem like it's getting a lot of sales. So this one I would probably skip. And if you guys want to take the extra step, so these other variations, right, are pretty good. So I can even do a reverse search on these products, right? So for example, this one is getting 16% of all the sales, right? This exact variation. So 16% of this is about, let's see, 1590 times 0.16. So this exact variation is selling at 254 times a month. So I would rabbit trail on these different variations, because these other variations have a lot of sales. So I would do a reverse search and look for this variation. In that way, on the same listing, right, you can possibly buy another, like 8 or 10 or so products that you can sell on your Amazon store. And I hope you guys got value from this video. Again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, please do so. And that way you guys can connect with other sellers. And I also do my free weekly calls on there. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.